We're excited to present to you today, after extensive red teaming, our most recent breakthrough. Why are we so excited? Because you didn't even realize it's not actually me talking. Today, we're announcing our new hyper-realistic text-to-speech engine. It's capable of one-shot style transfer, and it's live right now. Let me show you what that means. To get started, you can use our API to generate individual lines, plug it into your platform, or in this case, use it directly inside Bland. Here, you can clone any voice,
Hi, Isaiah.
sound effect, pronunciation,
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
and even any style.
Soon now they will see how good these can be with a little extra shine.
But why do we care if an AI can sing? Let's break it down. It's not just that our voices are capable of cloning with the expressiveness and realism that you saw earlier. You can give them a single example, and our voices can blend the expressiveness and tone of that example. In this case, singing. That's fundamentally what one-shot style transfer is. So what does that mean for your business? Well, let's imagine you have the greatest sales associate of all time. You can now take a recording of how they talk, mix it with our text-to-speech, and the model will output audio that will mimic the salesperson while talking in the voice you want. We can then use that style, voice, and sound effect in our conversation pathway tab to handle something like inbound sales calls. So let's send ourselves one.
Is this Isaiah? This is Blandy. I just saw you were interested in us and just wanted to give you a ring back.
Oh, hey, Blandy. Could you tell me a little bit more about what you do?
Great question. Right now, businesses and developers mainly use me to create their own AI agents to handle millions of interactions across web chat, SMS, and phone calls 24/7.
That's pretty cool. I know this is our announcement, so honestly, I'm just going to leave it with you from here. Good luck.
All right, Isaiah, here it goes. Today, we've crossed the uncanny valley of voice. We'll be seeing more AIs like myself than ever. Call my number or head to bland.com and you'll see why.